Let us begin. Good afternoon, my name is Dayan Moreno.
My name is Miguel Rodríguez.
My name is Estefanía Torres.
Today we will prepare pasta with meatballs and the ingredients are
Ingredients: pasta, water, ground meat, color, ricostilla, tomato, onion head, salt, garlic, cumin, and wheat flour.
Materials: pot, frying, blender, stove, plate, fork.
Step to step. Step 1. Add 1250 milliliters of water to a pot. Put on the stove and then add a little of color, cumin, garlic, and salt. Then let it boil.
Add the pasta and the while it boils, we liquefy on tomato and on onion head.
Step 3. Add the stew to the frying and let it fry for 5 minutes. For the meatballs, the ground meat was divided into pieces and molded into small balls.
Step 4. Add the meatballs to the frying and fry for 15 minutes.
Step 5. Add the pasta to frying with meatballs, milk cover and let cook for minutes more.
Step 6. Finally, we use it for the tasting. Thank you. Enjoy.